Hey everybody, Stampin' Sue Creates here. Thanks so much for joining me today. If you're a new subscriber, thanks for joining. Be sure to hit the red subscribe button along with the notification bell and you will be notified when I upload new videos. If you're returning and you have already been a subscriber to mine, thank you so much for coming back. I have a fun unboxing today. Something new. I don't even know how I came across this. I don't know, but they are a fragrance company and they're called the Columbia Fragrance Company. They're out of Columbia, Maryland, and they have a subscription box. So I thought, well, this would be interesting to check out. So I just got it today, and I believe it comes every month. So let's go ahead and see what it is. So I thought I would give it a try and see if I like it. If I don't, then, well, you know, I don't have to keep subscribing, right? So, okay, let's check it out. Oh, Scent by Mickey. Oh, I like that already. So let's see what we have here. I like the polka dots. Seems like there's a lot of polka dots going on these days. Okay, so, Doreen Nowatzki is the Chief Fragrance Officer. So that's her card. Welcome to our Milan box. Channel your beauty and inner warrior with our Lotus Santal scented products. Candle, bats, soaps, bath salts, Mickey ornament courtesy of the Facial Mouse on Etsy. More products available at the Columbia Fragrance Company at columbiafragrance.com. So the lotus flower that blooms in adversity is the most rare and beautiful of all. So I believe this has something to do with Disney. We sent you something special. If you've enjoyed this month's box, please leave a review on our Facebook page, facebook.com/scentbymickey/reviews. One lucky winner's name will be randomly chosen to receive a $25 gift card to our online store. So scentbymickey.com, columbiafragrance.com. Oh, this is how I got it. I was on Becca's page. She was talking about this fragrance that she smelled down in Disney, and it's supposedly like this wonderful fragrance, and I wanted to check it out to see what it was all about. So I went online, and that's how I found the Columbia Fragrance Company. Now, I don't know if this is the same company she got her scent from, but it's actually called Walt's Wonderful World, and it smells pretty good. Did you know, thanks to additional moisture in the air in the spring and summer months, it's easier to identify smells than when during autumn and winter. So I had purchased the spray that you spray in the room, and also the wax melts, which I haven't tried them yet. But yeah, tips for burning your candles. Okay, so there's information on burning candles, which is good. So let's go ahead and open this up. Ooh, this is exciting. I love Disney. I love Mickey Mouse. I love Minnie Mouse. So who is not to love this? So look at this. This must be the ornament. So this box is devoted all to Mickey, which would be Mickey Mouse. So if you're into Disney and you like Mickey and you like scents, you might be into this. So here's Mickey. This is a cute little ornament. This would be cute to even hang, you know, in your car or wherever. Look at these cute little balls. Not really sure where they go. But there's a pretty lotus flower on top. This is really nice. The Fanciful Mouse. So that's fun. And I could smell something already. So I hope I like the smells, because I'm kind of funny with smells, but I thought I'd give it a try. So let's see. In here we have soap. Okay, this is soap. I almost was going to say it was a candle, but this is soap. So let's see. So it looks like we have a, looks like bath salts. Did they say bath salts, soap, and a candle? Let me see. Look how cute they are. Well, I don't know. It's kind of a nice, fresh smell. Yeah, it's kind of nice. Cute. They're really cute. And it's really hot here today, so I'm glad I was home and the mailman came and I was able to get there. Okay, so let's see. We have Scent by Mickey, Lotus Santal, bath salts to use empty contents into warm running bath water. The whole thing? I don't know about that. That's a lot of bath salts, so let's see what it smells like. Oh, look at all the stuff in there. Oh, it's like a nice, oh, it's a nice, clean, fresh scent. I like it. It smells different than the candles, but look how nice that is. Ooh, I'm gonna look for it. And you know what? Today's my birthday, so happy birthday to me, right? So I think tonight I might treat myself to have a nice bath salt tubby. So, and the jar is cute too. You can repurpose that. So I like that. Okay. So this is all just shreddy, which I can repurpose that. And then, of course, they have all these wonderful little, I think these dissolve in water from what I remember. But I like the shreddy because I can reuse that. All right, so let's see. I believe this is the camel. Scent by Mickey. Yeah, it's a nice scent. You know, this would be like a nice, oh, this is a nice candle jar too. Never keep a burning candle unattended. You know, this scent, this would be like a nice kind of bathroom scent. You know, like if you like to burn candles in your bathroom. I'm always leery with burning candles because I have animals. So I wonder if you can put this on one of those melts, you know, those warmers. But yeah, I wouldn't think Mickey had a scent like that, but that's fun. And I like the theme things. I love theme things. And this cute little ornament. I'm not sure what the ball things are all about, but maybe they're just, I don't know, just decorative maybe. I'll have to go online and see if they say anything. But the soaps are nice. I'm going to put them in my bathroom. This was a nice box, and I'm trying to think how much it cost. I'll go online and I'll find out and I'll post it down below. But, oh wait, there's something else in here. Congratulations. Oh, you're this month's winner. To receive an upgrade to next month's box, email us at info@columbiafragrance.com. We'll update your account for your next renewal. Oh, look at that. Go me. I'm a winner. Good thing I looked in there. Got lost. So yeah, this is really fun. So if you're into scents, and you'd be interested in this, I'll have to check this out and read that. But if you like the scent that's in Walt's World, you could check that out too. But go ahead online and check them out. But this is something nice. I'm liking this, and because hey, heck, I'm a winner. So I'm going to go ahead and get an upgrade for next month's box. So that'll be exciting, right? So yeah, I'm going to keep this for now because I think it's super fun. And nothing better than getting some bath salts, soap, and a candle in the mail, right? All right, everybody, check them out. I'll post down below how much it cost. It wasn't real expensive because I wouldn't have subscribed otherwise, but there might have been, I have like something on my glasses. There might have been a special or something to join. So I wanted to give it a try. But yeah, I like it. I'm going to definitely try for next month. And I'm going to let them know that I'm a winner. So have a great day, everybody. And thanks for joining me. We'll see you back here again real soon. Bye for now.